Do you need STC bank statement and you don't know how to get it? In this video, I will show you exactly how to get your STC bank statement by using STC mobile app. Less than 2 minutes. Let's get started. Firstly, let's start with open our STC bank app. Once you open it, log in. Let me quickly log into my account. My mistake, face ID doesn't work. Let me use password. And then once you log in, tap on account. Now tap account again. Now scroll down and tap on bank statement. And now select date range and click on continue. Now tap on download to download your document. And choose where to view your document. Now your bank statement has downloaded successfully. It's easy, right? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you are watching on TikTok or Facebook, drop a follow for more Saudi video. Thank you.